back to my channel World. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Diwali floating candle decoration for your living area and to give some spice up to your living room. So let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna need is this drinking glass that is like this. So everyone has this kind of glass at their home. This is an old glass that I'm gonna be using. The next thing that I'm gonna use are these beads for giving it some decorations. Just fill it up. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill this glass with some water. Now add some water according to the oil. Now I'm going to take a OHP sheet and cut a circle around it and put a hole inside it. I have made the hole and the circle. So the next thing you're going to need is this Sholte, which we call in Bengali. Now you're going to take this thing and put it inside the oil, something like this. Remember, the plastic should be inside the oil. Just light it up and you're done with it. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye.